Get into a car with value. 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Indulge your desire for the finest luxury and pulse-quickening performance in this distinctive S-Class. Meticulous craftsmanship unites with innovative tech, thrilling power, and groundbreaking engineering to bring you a spectacular automobile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun moonroof, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Follow your heart's desire in this sublime S-Class. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.